Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install multiplayer mode menu on Black Ops Plutonium. Firstly, go to the link in the description and scroll down until you see the option to download the PC version of Plutonium. Download and install Plutonium. And when you're done, open your File Explorer and navigate to the Documents folder. Go to App Data, then locate and open the Plutonium folder. Click on Open File Location to access the folder where Plutonium is installed. In the Plutonium folder, click on Storage, then T5. Create a new folder named Mods, and drag and drop the mod menu file into the newly created Mods folder. Launch Black Ops and go to the Mods section. You should see the mod menu listed. Press Yes to load it. It's recommended to play in a private match to avoid getting banned online. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.